How to join two videos in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, in any web browser in your laptop or PC, type in canva.com and simply open up the Canva in your laptop. Once you open it up, log into your account. After you log in, you will land on the dashboard or home page of Canva. Now, from here, you will have this section right here with an option as For You, Docs, Whiteboards, Presentation, Social Media, and on next to that, there you'll find an option as a video. So click on videos. After that, you will find multiple options such as video, mobile video, Facebook video. So from there, you can choose whatever you want and then just go with the blank as well too. Now, once you get to the edit page, you can either upload a video from your device as well. For that, head over to the left hand side and from this menu bar, click on uploads. Now, you have to upload the file from your laptop or your device to this section and then you can use that video, or else you can use the one that is provided by Canva too. Here I will just use the video from the Canva. So for that, I will go with design, and from here we will have the videos right here. So I will just choose a free video from here, as I have this video right here, and as you can see, this video has been added. Now if you would like to add another video next to this video, all you have to do is click on this plus icon, that is add page. Now again, you have to add the another video. If you would like to add from your device, simply upload it from your device, or else you can go with the one provided by the Canva as well. Here I have this video right here, and as you can see, the another video has been added. Now you can continue with other video as well. You can add more than two videos too. Now if you play your video from beginning, there you can see the video has been merged by the Canva and added in the Canva. So that's how you can add videos in Canva, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.